Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, this is that white Commodore Vanderbilt wind-up conversion, and I just dropped that double reduction motor in it. This is the motor that came in that box of parts. It was missing the side rods for some reason. I have no idea why. So I replaced the side rods and just repeened them and did the bypass on it and basically just lubed it and tuned it. And a double reduction motor is running really, really well. So, whoops, let me refocus here. There we go. So this is going to be its first run around the rail. So I just wanted to do a video of this. So you can build one of these things for about 20 bucks. And if you're willing to put a few minutes work into it. And the stacks, the finials, the domes, all these things, this one was just covered in rust. And so I just spray it with a flat black primer, and then you can paint them rather than having to plate them or worry about them. And black on white, fairly good contrast, but I think I'm going to paint this blue. We're going to see. Anyway, it's got the new motor in it. Let me turn on the power. Running on the third rail, pulling 20 tin litho cars. That is running absolutely splendidly. Remember, this motor came in a box of parts. So you couldn't ask for it to run better than this. Slow it down. So, it's interesting what you can do with these. You know, this was an old junky wind-up that was just beat to death when I got it. And I painted it white. Like I said, I was going to turn it originally into a Red Cross engine, but it just looks Swiss once you put the red crosses on the side. Anyway, so I'm going to paint it very likely blue, and then I'm going to start doing some experiments with decals to find a really inexpensive way, if possible, to really clean these things up and customize them for just a few dollars. Anyway, it's all part of a grand experiment. We'll see. But in this case, it was a wind-up Commodore Vanderbilt from eBay. I think I paid $8 for it. And whenever a motor comes along, it's always great to be able to buy a 400 and upgrade from a plastic engine or plastic body into a steel body, especially in this case. This is a wind-up, so this is an early engine. This is probably 1935, 1938, something like that. It's an early engine. So I just wanted to do a quick video on this. So a transplanted double reduction motor in an old wind-up from eBay. So total cost has been less than 20 bucks. This motor came in a box of parts. So I just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.